it comes to, basic cases of IPV and sexual assault, whether it's a provincial or superior court trial, so if it's on a provincial level, they have 18 months to proceed. But due to the chronic underfunding from, when it comes to like a lack of employment for judges and prosecutors and for courthouses to have the proper resources to proceed, it can take about 15 months at least to get a judge to hear a case in IPV. And that's where a survivor starts to have a rising amount of anxiety, saying is that they're getting close to what they call the Jordan's clock. And this is that as soon as the 18-month limit basically reaches, then it's Jordaned out. And unfortunately, what's been happening is that there's been particularly most of the abuser's is that the abuser's legal counsel, they have been using the Jordan's application to get them off. So that's kind of the example of a Jordan's basically case. And it's very unfortunate because End Violence Everywhere has been calling on the federal government to really to get rid of this law. So End Violence Everywhere is encouraged that Ontario, Quebec, Manitoba, and BC have sent their legal counsels to go and challenge the Supreme Court on this decision. It's 10,000 cases leading to so many lives or victims that have had no justice, and some of these women and people are no longer alive because these abusers are out walking the streets. We're hopeful is that the Supreme Court reconsiders this. If they cannot strike down this rule, is to at least suspend the trial limitations and give more time for legal proceedings to come forward.
What would this do for survivors if, in your view, positive changes are made to the legal system?
I think it's going to give them more room to testify. I think it'll give it more time to collect evidence, but it's also going to ensure is that the offender is not on bail, as well. I think also to ensure that there can be more room for, for the Crown to prove the case to the judge, excuse me, as well. I think it's really going to lead to women in this country, and really, I think even their families, to feel is that the system is finally listening to them at this time.